What is going on, you guys? Let's try 1999 YouTube. Well, I figure we're gonna still continue the boat map as much as I can to try to finish it. I brought a different vehicle just to switch it up. I don't expect this one to pull as good as the truck, but at this point, I'm just want to get it done. I might have to put it in 4-wheel drive. Because I can tell we're kind of struggling. Problem is I won't be able to turn. And I'm losing power. Lovely. But yeah, we're gonna see if I can finish this. I think it's part 65 or 67. But I'll have the number and title down below. You'll see it. But other than that, but yeah, I figure we're gonna try to finish this map. Probably won't be this episode, obviously. I think it's probably gonna take, I want to say, maybe 70 episodes to finish this. That's what I'm guessing at the rate I'm going at. I mean, I am trying to keep them short and all that, and not make it super long. But yeah, we're gonna see how long, how many episodes it will take. But comment below how many episodes you think it'll take, and leave me a comment about it and make your guess. Cause who knows? Maybe we'll find out. And comment below on some builds. Like what we should try to build. Try to build something stupid. Not a squad truck, obviously. Or an Austin Farmer special. There's a good one. Crap. God, this van is just slow. And yes, I got road tires on and still struggling. It's just squeaking the tires like crazy. But yeah, we're gonna find out and see what we get. Oh. Wait a minute. So it's not completely done. Aw, man. I was hoping it was going to be this episode, but like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. We'll see you all in the next one.